And so today, Crusaders, I'm going to show you a quick location where you can accomplish 2 challenges for your Abyss artifacts.
Run!
So, there is one artifact that you need to grab. 5 birds. So to grab the birds, you just come here. Hold on. Come here to this location. So here is your camp. Banan is here. This is our camp. We just came all the way here, and here we are. What you want to do to catch the 5 birds is simply this. You go here, and as you can see, it's one here, one down, 5 to go, and you just carry on doing this. You don't need to hide, you don't need any special gear, you just come here, run after them, press hold X or square on console, and that is that.
Got a story to share.
Another challenge that you can also complete, which is just here. You can fight 3 bandits, of which you can kill with your shield. So I'm gonna show you exactly they are on the map, which is just ahead of where we were, just north Hernan. There they are. And you find here 3 bandits. The reason why you want to come here is because 1, it's only 3 bandits. 2, it's because they are away from town, which means no one else would normally come here to help you kill them, so you are free to kill them at your own pace. And that is important because you must kill them with a shield bash to complete the challenge. Awkward enough, I know. So I'll show you guys exactly how to kill them with your shield in just a moment.
Yes.
So here we are. You're gonna find a bandit with a shield there on that spot that I just showed you. And what you want to do is simply hold down your shield on LB or L1 and RT at the same time, or R2. You can even parry them, but essentially what you want to do is kill them with a shield bash or a shield bash. And this move here, you must not kill them with your sword, so just be careful with that. Do this multiple times if you like, or must make sure they don't bash themselves against rocks, because if they do, they will die by the damage clashing and not the shield bash. So just keep on doing that on that location that I just showed you guys a few moments ago, and you should be fine. These guys are armored, the bandits are not as armored, so they should die pretty quickly just with a simple shield bash at a time. And until next time.